Okay guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be going over the break retest strategy for gold. Now I'm going to got a few examples lined up, and if you're wondering what these blue, red and green lines are, this is how I mark my major levels. Now obviously if I look, and if you definitely stick around to the end, you will gain value. Now if I look at if I draw this level like this, one moment. Okay, I have the weeklies, the dailies and the 4 hours. Now if I break this down, just one moment. Okay, now this with this yellow rectangle here that I've drawn, yellow zone, this is more refined. I like to, as you can see here, support here, breakout, price comes back up here, you get this breakout here, the price comes to retest. As you can see, this small breakout here, you can call it, because this was a support in the past. Breakout, look at this breakout here again, and then a rejection, and then you can take an entry. But this was around 5 p.m. on the Thursday UK time. So if I turn on this indicator here, look, New York session in the middle of it, just coming to the end. Price, obviously this is a major key level, so that's why it's getting respected multiple times. But then price breaks out through here, and now this is 2 in the morning in the Asian session. So now I'm getting obviously rejections here, and around 6:30 a.m., which is about half an hour before London Open, if I look at this rejection wick here, I would have taken the trade and a stop loss above the previous wick. This would have give a nice 4.7, 1 to 4.7, and we could have exited on this next major, from zone to zone, or this range to range, but exited here. And if we would have, if I just zoom out one moment. Okay, here is a equal low candle, one of my favorite patterns, and then we get this rejection here, they get another rejection, and then if we would have entered from this candlestick pattern here, I'll just show you the bullish candle. Look at this move here guys, all the way up here. This would have give in the same day a 1 to 5, and then price breaks out again, right? We got rejections here, breakout, then break again, equal high here, it's a bearish tweezer pattern. Price breaks through, and then you get this signal here, rejection, entry here, 1 to 6, and even like, I'll give you an example, major zone drawn here, right? Look at this, for a quick scalp even, breakthrough, you got this rejection here, wait for this candlestick to form. It was a bullish candle, but it was a weak one. Even if you were looking for a quick scalp from this zone, I 1 to 2 there. If I just draw this like this, there, 1 to 2, easy as that. Now if I look at this one here, look at this major zone, price rejects this. Now price is rejecting this, so this is, but this is around near the end of New York session. But then price, you get this huge bullish move up. Look at this rejection here, breakout, rejection. If you were to wait for price to return back here, definitely would take in this entry, because look at even that price structure, the previous high has, this is resistance, price has come to retest, and this just explodes. And not even that guys, check this out. Or if I just put this back, even if this strategy alone has got me multiple payouts, past multiple profit challenges. Now check this out. When it came to this zone, another breakout happened here. Can you see this? Another breakout here, major zone right here, breakout. Look at this rejection. So not only could I could have added, to this as well. You can refine this even more in the smaller time frames, and this trade itself would have given to this 1 to 14 on this one, 1 to 19 on this one, right? Okay, now look, we get a rejection some saw here, we would have held the trade. At this point you should have just put the trade at break even. Even if you put this at break even, it's all secure, it's all good. Here you get the break again, but you don't get a retest, so I just held onto the position. Look at this, here you get a breakout. Look at this major level, Breakout, again there's retest here. You could have just taken maybe 1 to 3 this area here, entered from here. This alone will probably give you from there to there. How many pips is that? So you're looking about 12 pips on gold, something like that, I believe, 120 points, whatever it is. You know, that would have been nice. Maybe 1 to 2, 1 to 3, and then what happens is price breaks through, but we get no retest. So I'm not interested, right? Price breaks through. We do get a little bit of a retracement here, like price coming back. So if you would have done an impulse entry, you know, down here, you probably would have caught the move, but was it safe to do so? No. And that's why you need to create an edge. Psychology only works, guys, if you have a good edge. Definitely would have, and then you should work on your edge, and that's only A+ setups, if you want to call it. Now here, look, breakthrough, retest here, breakthrough, bullish here, retest here, you take the entry here. Now let's see what's happening down here. Okay, another example here, breakthrough, but now it is a Saturday today, weekend, markets are closed. Got the breakout here, but price can do whatever it wants, you know. Let's see on what happens once the market opens. I do think gold might head back up here, but then again, anything can happen. Like, look at this here, this rejection points here, rejection, breakout. This bullish candle is not that strong though, still it's a breakout, clean breakout. Price comes down, let's see what retests down here, and it just shoots. I mean, you can backtest this, guys, you know, you can backtest this. I've spent months backtesting, I've spent weeks backtesting, but like years of data. I mean, if this helps you, even if it doesn't help you quit your 9 to 5 or maybe even past prop firms yet, but I just hope this creates that, you know, gets you that one step closer to just sending you the right direction to, you know, financial freedom, or just even if you're not profitable, sending you one step closer to getting break even, and if you are break even, sending that one step closer to just becoming profitable. But remember, guys, lastly, work on your edge, then work on your psychology. Find out what's your A+ setup, you know, what you're strong at psychologically, or, you know, fundamentals or technicals, anything, you know. Find out what you're great at, what gets you those. And even if you then take those pen trades, and even if you was to, you know, lose, you know, 2, 3, or even let's say lose 5, 6, but you have a risk to reward of 1 to 4, 1 to 5, for example, you'll end up profitable in the end. So yeah, that's it for today. Hope that was helpful. Like and subscribe if you have.